Optimize your sponsored products campaigns with tailored listing recommendations. Your product detail page is one of the main keys to advertising success. When you get it right, shoppers are more likely to click your ad and buy your product. Our new recommendations feature optimizes your detail pages and sponsored products campaigns to perform better and help increase sales. Start by going into a sponsored products campaign within your Ads Campaign Manager and clicking into one of your ad groups. Under the ASIN column next to each product, you'll see a link with the number of recommendations specific to that product and ad campaign. From there, go to your list of improvements. Select a recommendation. You're automatically taken to the relevant location in Seller Central. From here, update your page with the recommended improvements. Now, your page is better able to reach and engage more customers, and buyers are much more likely to make a purchase.